Hello everybody, this update about the video about overview of a Whelen WPS-3016. So that siren, that same exact one, it's on Pickerington at BUSEY Road, well, near that area. My mom just told me that it is malfunctioning and that they are trying to make a grant to replace it. So yes, that siren is going to be replaced. So next week, I am meeting up with the EMA Director to set off the siren in Lithopolis. So, yeah. So anyway, yeah, I probably said, a while ago that it was supposed to be this week, because it was supposed to be this week, but then, the EMA Director got busy, so it was delayed until next week. So, yeah. So I'm gonna see if I can get that malfunctioning siren, because, you know, I want to have a siren, and, even though it's not gonna work if I have it, still, it'd be cool. I might be able to, get the rotator working, so, you know. So, yeah, just a quick update on that. So yeah, now don't get too excited because I have no idea if I'm going to be able to get the siren or not, and my guess is probably not, because, even though, I'm good friends with the EMA Director, I'm sure that he wants to be cautious, so yeah. So, yeah, that's it.